Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will continue with our chapter possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. This is chapter number 5 on page number 18 and this is part 2 of the chapter. So let's get started. In the previous video we learned what possessive adjectives are, and in today's video we will see what possessive pronouns are. There are few words that you can see on your screens, that is mine, ours, yours, his, hers and theirs. These words are also possessive forms of the personal pronouns that are I, we, you, he, she and they. This tells us that certain persons have or own certain things, or that certain things belong to a certain person. But the thing that is to be noted here is that they do not depend on the nouns. For examples, H, there are some old books in the box. They are mine. I, have you seen that red car? It is ours. J, my shoes are new. So are yours. K, there is a watch on the table. It is his. L, this is a beautiful dress. Who does it belong to? It is hers. M, there is a house on the top of the hill. Is it theirs? Now, in all these sentences, the pronoun has been used without a noun and the sense is complete. These possessive forms are called possessive pronouns. Let's have a deeper look on that. What it says, the main things were the underlined words that are mine, ours, yours, his, hers and theirs, that are possessive pronouns, right? So it says that if it is written they are mine, that means it's showing the belonging, that it belongs to me. Mine represents the me, right? Then it says it is ours, it belongs to us. So are yours, it belongs to you. It is his, this belongs to his. And it is hers, belongs to her. And it is theirs, belongs to them. So anything or any word that is showing to a belonging to anybody, and it is showing the ownership of a person or any other, a person or more. It can be one or more persons as well. As you can see that it says it is ours. It is belonging to one more than one persons, right? So it shows what possessive pronouns are. Now here, the table that you can see on your screen, it will help you to differentiate between possessive pronouns and possessive or pronominal adjectives. What the possessive pronoun column says, it says mine, ours, thine, yours, his, hers and theirs, while the pronominal adjectives or possessive adjectives shows my, our, thy, your, his, her, their and its. Now if you remember, in chapter number 4 we have already seen, and I told you and I explained to you that thy and thine are the words that are rarely used, and they are usually used only in poems and in prayers only, but not in a daily basis or a frequent English. These words does not exist now in the English language. So thy and thine are the only words that are rarely used, or the mostly we can say that are unused, while the form his is used both as a possessive pronoun and possessive or pronominal adjectives. If you can see the example on below the chart, it says this book is his. This is denoting a possessive pronoun, while the other sentence which says this is his book, this sentence is denoting possessive adjectives. Now here it says that there is a simple rule that can help in distinguishing a possessive pronoun from a possessive adjective. It is that a possessive adjective is always used with a noun and comes before the noun it qualifies, while a possessive pronoun does not depend on a noun, but if it is used with a noun, it comes after the noun, right? In the first example, it says he is my friend. My is a possessive or pronominal adjective and it comes before the noun, that is friend. While in the other sentence it says, he is a friend of mine. Mine is a possessive pronoun and it comes after the noun, that is friend. So this will help you in distinguishing and differentiating the possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Now, here are few more examples of the way possessive pronouns are used. P. This sister of mine lives in London. Here the word mine is possessive pronoun. Q. He is no friend of yours. He is always speaking ill of you. Yours here is denoting possessive pronoun, as if you compare it with the chart that was in the previous slide, and that chart is also available on page number 20 in your book. So if you want, you can have a look at that for better understanding. The next example is R. I have a book of his and I shall return it soon. S. That photograph of hers was taken by her father. T. An uncle of ours has written a book on physics. U. The last play of theirs was a success and was highly praised. Now here all the underlined words are denoting possessive pronouns, and it is giving another image of how possessive pronouns can be used. Now with this, our chapter is finished. I hope it will be beneficial for you. Thank you for today. Allah Hafiz.